What is going on, my lovely people? Candace B here. Thank you so much for coming to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. Glad to have you here. If you are a subscriber, welcome back. Also glad to have you here. And Merry Christmas, guys. Oh my gosh, it is Christmas Day. How exciting. I don't know what it is about Christmas, but the days before I'm never in the mood, but then when the day comes, it's just like you hear the Christmas music and everything, and it's just so nice. So I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. I will be announcing the giveaway winners for the $2,000 Hanko trade giveaway at the end of this video, obviously, guys, because I want you guys to watch the video and be patient, you know. But don't worry, today's video is not going to be too long. We're just going to be doing some back testing. I feel like I have not done back testing in so long. I feel like I am feeling the repercussions of that, the negative outcome of that. I think it's definitely important that I just do a bit of back testing, especially during the holidays. I feel like that is definitely a really good time to be back testing when the markets are kind of dead and, you know, no one's trading during this time until probably around, you know, second, third week of January. So why not take these next few weeks and just back test and work on our strategies? I definitely need to kind of just remind myself of my strategy. I will admit, I will be the first to admit, guys, pure honesty, that I have deviated away from my strategy, and this is not the first time. So I have to figure out what is causing that. I mean, I don't know. There could be so many reasons, and I feel like I've addressed this before, but it's just kind of like, okay, Candace, enough excuses. Like, I know what I need to do to be at the point that I feel like I'm successful, right? So, you know what? One step is to be backtesting. So we are going to be backtesting GBP JPY today. I'm just gonna choose a random time in the charts and then we'll go from there. But before we get into this video, guys, I'm just gonna need you to stop, pause this video, scroll down and hit that subscribe button, and then scroll a little bit to the left and click that like button on this video. Might as well. It's Christmas, okay? I ain't getting no presents this year. That can be my one present, is you just subscribing and liking this video. It'll go a long way, okay? Thank you. But that being said, let us get into this video. Oh my gosh, I almost forgot to show you guys my shirt, my cute little pajama shirt that says "Up to Snow Good." Isn't it so adorable? I know, so festive. Anyways, so as you can see, we are on GBP JPY right now. And I don't know when the last time was that I showed you guys my charts, but as you can see, the candlesticks are green and white. So the white candlesticks are the bearish ones and the green ones are the bullish ones. I don't know, for whatever reason, this has been kind of helping my eyes, and there's not one status quo chart color, candlestick color that you need to go by. Do whatever works for you and whatever fits your kind of, whatever makes your eyes feel good. I don't know what to really say, but yeah. So I'm just going to do this thing, and then I'm gonna go to the weekly, and I'm just going to do the replay. I love this replay. If you guys do not have Trading View, come on, what are you doing? You gotta get the replay feature so we can back test and stuff. You know what? I feel like this year was not as good as it should have been. I know a lot of you guys were following my $500 account growth thing, my account challenge, and yeah, that was a fail. I will be, again, the first to admit that was a fail. So I think I'm gonna just back test probably mid, like around June, July, June. We'll do June, and we'll kind of go from there. So let's just get this sorted out. And what I'm really looking to achieve with this back testing, just because I feel like it's important to have a goal when you're back testing, I want to definitely focus on finding the setups that have rejections at high liquidity points, major liquidity areas. I want to focus on following the trend, just trading the trend. I want to focus on only catching 20 pips, because I think the issue with my $500 account challenge was that I got too caught up in catching big moves, and a lot of times it was working because, you know, when you're scalping a small account, like for me, I try to catch big moves and then I try to stack my trades in that way and, you know, try to benefit off of that. But obviously when it goes the other way, it is very rough and you have to be very you know, strict with your discipline. So I'm trying to get out of that mindset of me having to catch huge moves. I don't think that you have to catch big moves. Being in and out of the market, I think that's more my style. So that's what I'm going to be focusing on today. And just, you know, doing the basic things right, keeping it super simple and going from there. So June 7th, 2021, I'm just going to go on my calendar and see what date that was. So June 7th was a Monday, so that's a good time to start. It's the second week after, you know, NFP Friday and stuff like that. So yeah, let's just head down to the daily. So as we can see, it's definitely an uptrend here, so I'm keeping that in mind. I do see a bit of higher low, higher high pattern, but it's just not too, you know, pretty, as you can say. So I'm wanting to see what price is going to do. Looking left, we have a bit of just like gray area. We have a bit of space here, but I do see that we just recently tapped a zone here, a liquidity area. Why do I keep doing this? Always marking up the charts by accident. Yeah, we have a liquidity area here that that price just rejected from. So I need more confirmation to see if we're going to be continuing to the upside or if we're going to be pushing down. Now, Mondays in general, I do not like to trade, so I'm going to keep that in mind as well. I'm just going to go down to the H4. We're going to see what happens. We're going to see what happens. I'm not too finicky about... I was going to say I'm not too finicky about when I trade, but I am. I want to definitely look for setups during London session and New York session. So that is the goal. So right now, this is 1 p.m., sorry. So I'm gonna go down to the 1 hour. It's just easier to do 1 hour. Right now, actually it's 4 p.m. technically based on the 1 hour. So the day's done. So let's just press play and let's get it popping. Okay, so right now it's technically June 14th, which is, like I said, the Monday, 3 a.m. in the morning. I don't want to trade Monday, so we're just gonna skip right through actually. We're just going to be as disciplined as we can with this back testing, keep it as accurate as possible to how we would trade in real market conditions. So 3, 4. Okay, so now it is the 15th of June, 2021, which is a Tuesday. And I see that price has been kind of struggling to push down, although it did reach kind of this area here where we just looking left where price had recently rejected. It doesn't necessarily mean that price needs to do that again. But in this case, it did try to push down and creating that, you know, lower high, lower low structure based on the 1 hour, but it did not push further down. It failed to create another lower high, lower low. Instead, it pushed right back up. So I still need to see, because right now, as in my eyes, this is more of like a consolidation, you know, a range. Price is moving a bit more sideways, so I need to see price start making, you know, movements, whether it gets to here and starts pushing down or it gets back down here and pushes up like it did before. That's what it just did, but we need to see some more confirmation, some more structure, in my opinion. So we're gonna let I'm gonna slow down the speed. We're gonna let this play out as I get my calendar up. Okay. Alright, still very much struggling. Let's just play it out, guys. Okay, so as you can see, now it is the 17th of June, which is actually the Thursday. So we skipped Wednesday, we skipped all of Tuesday, because I was just simply waiting for some sort of breakout. I needed some sort of breakout. I could see that there was a good move here. See, this is why I need a back test, because man, I've definitely kind of become rusty with this. Let me see. Yeah, this would have been a break and a retest. This would have been a nice trade here. You know, catching. This would have been like 20 pips easily. Could have scaled out to 40. pips, whatever. Anyways, so that's the type of move I'd be looking for, a break and a retest, confirmation that price is not going to be continuing the trend, but yeah, this was pretty quick. So let's continue. It's 2 o'clock. Oh, let me just move the speed down. Oh, slow. Okay, so now it is Friday, the 18th of June, and I see that now we are definitely pushing down. If I kind of move this level down here, we see that price after it kind of had this very bearish rally to the downside, it did pull back and it grabbed liquidity in this area here, where previously in the recent past, price had been tapping quite a few times. So this is a very strong area here that price seems to like to come back to. So in this case, it rejected it as a resistance and it's pushing down. So if this is 12, I'm just going to wait another hour or two. Okay, so this is nice. I'm going to take a sell at this point because we've broken structure here. We've broken this recent low. We've created a new low. So I just want to continue with that pattern. And this is like, I'm trying to practice patience because I feel like usually I would have taken that sell here, which yeah, it might have worked out, but like it could have not worked out. I'd rather have more confirmation. So in this case, we know that we're going down. We have a pullback of a bearish momentum move, and we have a rejection at a high liquidity area, and we have structure being broken. So for me, that's like 4 confirmations. I mentioned in a video before that I was testing out fibs, so I don't know if this is even right. I don't even know how to use fibs, but it kind of came back to this 38 level. Okay, we're not using fibs anymore, guys. We're keeping it simple. We keep it simple. We just doing market structure. So anyways, I want to, usually my risk reward is set up as 1 to 2. I'm just going to see here. I kind of want to do a 1 to 1 instead. I mean, I still want to do 1 to 2, but I want to do it 10 pips to 20 pips, something like that. And let's just see if we can catch this simple move. So this move would be at, so this was the 1 a.m. candle, and so this is 2 a.m. So this is pre-London. So let's just see what happens. Boom, all right, take profit hit very quickly. I'm just gonna go to the 30-minute to see a bit more detail. So in this case, I won the trade, so I'd be putting plus 2R. Wow, okay, plus 2R, and that's a W. So just keeping it simple like that. I need to keep it simple like that. That for me is how trading needs to be. And I don't know why I'm getting emotional about this. I need to stop. I'm very emotional in general. I'm a Libra, but like I keep overcomplicating things for no reason. For no reason. And I've been through this over and over and over. Imagine being through something over and over and over and over again and knowing what you're supposed to do right, but you're still doing stupid little things. Like, it's frustrating and it makes you question who you are as a person. So doing something like this, as simple as this, you know, whether it hits your take profit or your stop loss, it's like, these are the simple moves that I need to be catching. You take the move, you get the pips, you leave. That's it. You continue with your day. It shouldn't be that hard. You know what I mean? It shouldn't be so difficult. And I hope that I'm relating to some people watching this. I know that a lot of people are kind of feeling what I'm feeling, like the frustration with like just overcomplicating things that don't need to be overcomplicated. But like, I realize that that's who I am as a person. I overcomplicate a lot of things. You can ask a lot of my family and friends. I do the most. I'm very dramatic. I'm very dramatic in life. So this is translating into my trading, which is annoying because, like, you know, the best thing I can do is just adjust my trading to that, as opposed to trying to change my personality, who I've been for 28 years. You know what I mean? So let's keep going. I'm done ranting, guys. I'm so sorry. All right, so that is the 18th. So that would have been the Friday. So now we're moving on to the next week. So let's get her done. Okay. So I'm waiting for the 22nd, because the 21st would be Monday. I'm waiting for the 22nd. We gotta move faster, honey. Oops, probably too fast. Okay, so this is the 21st. This is the Monday. As you can see, price did continue pushing down, which would have been a great scaling out opportunity. Definitely for anyone who's prepared to do that. But sticking with the basics, we just get that move, we leave, whatever. But price did end up pushing down here. I'm not too sure if there was a level that it kind of, yeah. So there's another liquidity point here that price had come down to and rejected the same way it did here on May 7th. And now it's pushing back up. It came all the way back up to this this level here, this other liquidity level. So again, this goes to show that this area is very, very, like price likes it a lot. Price likes this area a whole lot. And these are the things to just keep in mind of when it comes to just trading Forex with price action, naked Forex as most would call it, like just seeing these type of moves. It's very, very helpful. So at this point, this is the Monday, so I'm not even trading the Monday. I'm waiting for Tuesday. So let's just wait till, this is 19, 22, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so now this is the Tuesday, June 22nd. As you can see, price is still kind of in this area. I want to see if it's going to break it or reject it. I don't feel comfortable taking a trade here because, like, what is it? Is it a buy or is it a sell? You know, I can say it's a buy because there is bullish momentum and this could be a pullback and we're going to push up, or I can say it's a sell because it's a double top. Like, there's too many conflicting details for me. And it helps to talk it out. I'm just realizing it helps to talk this out. So yeah, I'm just going to wait and see what happens because it's still like, it's not even London session yet. So even if I have to wait till New York session to catch a move, that's okay. So this is midnight, 1, 2, 3. This is London open. This is London open. Still nothing. Usually London open would give us something, but it's still kind of just in this area. Let's see. Okay, we have a break. Now at 4 p.m. Let's see what's gonna happen. Or sorry, 4 a.m. Let's see what's gonna happen now. 5 a.m. 6, 7. Okay, see, pushed up. See, usually I would jump the gun and say, oh, well, structure broke here. Structure broke right here. You know, this candlestick here, this 4 a.m. broke this, you know, these candlesticks here, the lows of these ones, and it closed below it. So let me just take a sell, but there is not enough confirmation. That is one confirmation, breaking that previous low of that candle and closing below it. But like, I would have needed a pullback and a confirmation to the downside. So this candle, this 6 a.m. candle would have needed to be like bearish or something for me to be like, okay, yes, we are most likely going down. There's a high possibility for that to happen. So because that didn't happen, couldn't take that trade. And as you can see, price pushed up. So let's see what happens next. This is 7 a.m. now. So we're approaching New York open. 9, 8, 9, 10. Usually I find that 10 a.m. brings a lot of momentum. So let's see. Okay, cool. So it broke this area now, which, you know, not easy to predict because how would you know that price is going to break this level, right? It does look a pullback and a push up, like I said, but we never know if price, because price likes this level so much, we don't know if it's just going to reject it again. So let me go down to the 30-minute and see what's happening here. Right now it's at this area where it previously rejected. It could push up, it could pull back. Let's see what happens at the 10:30. Okay, so in this case, it is pushing up. I think I need to wait for a pullback before I get into this trade. So I'm just gonna wait for that. And for me, that is good enough on the 30-minute because it shows that bears are having a very hard time. If bears had more strength, there would have been a bigger pullback. But because it had this small little candle here, let me zoom in because so you guys can see. Because this 11:30 a.m. candle was so small, although it was bearish on the 30-minute, like it did nothing. So the next candle obviously was bullish. So I'm going to enter a buy here. Okay, so my stop loss would be just kind of like under this previous candle that was just formed, and then my take profit would be at this level here. When you look left, it is a level where price came to before. So let's play it out. It just missed my take profit. So in this case, I'm putting my stop loss at break even because like it did that push and it came back. So at this point, if it isn't able to push further, then this trade's not meant for me. All right, so this is a break even trade. And I would just put that here. So one win and one break even trade. Even though that could have been a win, it's okay. It's all good. I prefer a break even trade over a loss any day. It really does not matter how much profits you are in as long as you are in profits. Be patient with the process. Candace. Okay, just talking to myself here. But anyways, guys, that's pretty much all I want to do with back testing. I just wanted to kind of get back in the groove, kind of wet my feet again. And I was just like, might as well just record it, you know, and do that in front of you guys because I'm trying to be transparent. I feel like I am relatable because like I am a student of the market just like all of you guys, honestly. Like we just trying to be successful out here. We just trying to be in our own lane. For me, I don't care about the big traders that are on social media and stuff like that. Kudos to them. They've grinded and they are doing the damn thing. For me, I just want to be in my own lane and go into 2022 just full throttle and just keep doing what I gotta do. Like, I don't want to come in brand new, like, oh my gosh, I'm gonna be this great person. I just want to do every step correctly. I want to do step 1, then get to step 2, then do step 3, then do step 4. Like, I don't want to overcomplicate anything because for me, my personality, I get anxiety, I get stressed. It's not a good look. So yeah, honestly, that's pretty much my goal in general. I don't make New Year's goals pretty much. I just kind of make goals throughout the year. And my goal in general is just to be a better me, be a better trader, and just follow the steps one by one. So now it's the fun part, guys. I get to announce the winners of this $2,000 giveaway. This is a cool giveaway. I think it's awesome. I feel like it's a dope holiday giveaway, and I appreciate everyone for just showing support and, you know, entering the giveaway. I feel like you all deserve it because, you know, we're all just trying to grind. We're all just trying to be better for ourselves. But the 5 winners that have been chosen for this $2,000 Hanko Trade giveaway, so $400 each, will be going into your Hanko Trade live account, are going to be posted on the screen in 3, 2, 1. Congratulations to all the winners. By now, you guys have been DM'd on Instagram, so go check your DMs, okay? Even though it's Christmas, I know you be on social media, so go check. Again, thank you to everyone who participated. This was awesome, and I hope that I could do more giveaways in the future because who does not like a giveaway? Like, it's so fun, you know what I mean? But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you found some relatability to it, you know what I mean? If you did, let me know. Click that like button. I really, really appreciate it. And comment down below, do you guys backtest during the holidays or just in general? What is your backtesting schedule? What are you planning to improve on and work on as we are going into 2022 when it comes to your trading and it comes to your life overall? And last but not least, do not forget to subscribe so you know when I post another video. And in the meantime, feel free to check out any of my other videos on this channel and my other channel, Candace B TV, where I vlog. I hope you have a Merry Christmas and a happy, happy New Year. Let's go into this new year with just positivity, you know, optimism and happiness. And I hope you all have a splendid, magical, amazing day, week, and life. Bye!